Here in a second, on both sides of the comment button, you're gonna see more gates. If you want to like me to show you how to add those, you guys let me know, and a shot at them. Alright, right here on both sides, you're going to see 2 beds in the bedrooms. You can only put 1 if you want to be a trio, and place a box there instead like I showed in the building video you'll see soon. But I had to put 2 beds there just in case you want to add 2 instead of a bed in a box. Just don't want lag here. Alrighty, right here on the roof, you're gonna see there's no windmills or turrets. You guys can place those wherever you want. I just didn't know where to put them, so yeah. Alrighty, here you're gonna see the upkeep, and this is on a pure vanilla build server, so if you're on CV servers or a 2x, it will be reduced. Alrighty, here you're gonna see the little outside of the base. I'll go over the upkeep real quick. It's around the build cost, my apologies. It's around 116,000 metal with every single door, window, code lock, box, everything placed like that. It's around 50,000 wood, 24,000 stone for walls, 500 HCM, which is 100 HCM for the tier 3, and then best for turrets that I had placed in the compound, etc. Shit like that. So here you're gonna see the base tutorial. By the way, I strongly encourage you guys to change the base as much as you want. Place TC boxes wherever you want, beds wherever you want, that type of stuff, and just place things wherever you want. You know, to make it feel homey, I guess.
Production.
Okay, what I'm doing here, you're gonna want to do the other side as well, and just the other side, because the other sides are not proportional. They will not, get what you're trying to get. So. Alright, what you're seeing me do here in these two corners right here, you're going to do the other side on those two corners over there as well to make it even. So. Alright, kind of back to what I was saying earlier. The roof, do whatever you want. If you want to add like beds and shooting floor, go ahead. Like I said, do whatever you want to the base. I strongly encourage it because you don't really want to copy shit off YouTube. Make it your own little what am I trying to say here? Your own little build of it, I guess. Alright, right here, those things that I just added, those little ramps, I guess you can call them. You might want to place, or I strongly recommend you place those first before you place the ramps that go into the window, or else you will not be able to place them later on. Also, this base is about, I would say, 50 to 60 rockets if they're ready to the side. That's with doors as well, so if you don't have doors, it'll probably be a lot cheaper. And that's also with this thing being full sheet metal, no HQMs, like upgrades on the walls, anything. So, yeah. Also, you might want to add this kit on the other side as well, where there's like large wide gap section as well, because I don't show the video. And thank you for watching.